Assalamu alaikum viewers. Miss Mathematics is once again here to present the remaining topics on factors and multiples. We have ever discussed about factors and multiples. Today we will discuss about prime factorization method. We can find out the highest common factor or HCF and least common multiples or LCM by using prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, firstly we find out the prime factors. Prime means 1. Prime means 1. So our factors has only the one common factor. Find out the highest common factor firstly. For the highest common factor, firstly we find out the prime factors of two numbers and then the common factors from the prime factors. And in the last we find out the HCF. By using prime factorization method, here divisibility rules are capable. We are using divisibility rules here to find out the prime factors. For example, 6 and 9. 6. हम देखेंगे कि 6 के टेबल में आता है या नहीं, या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि क्या 6 का मल्टीपल है या नहीं, या हम ये देखेंगे कि 6 पे डिविजिबल है या नहीं। अब 6 चूँकि इवन नंबर है, इस वजह से 6 पे डिविजिबल है, तो इस जगह पे हमने वो टेबल लिख लिया जिसके ऊपर 6 डिविजिबल है। जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा क्वोशंट होता है ऊपर की तरफ 6 and 2. 2 3s are 6. जब हम सिंपल डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वोशंट हमारा ऊपर आता है, लेकिन जब हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के थ्रू डिवाइड करते हैं या प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो हमारा क्वोशंट आंसर क्वेश्चन के नीचे आता है। अब हम देखेंगे 3 तो 2 के टेबल में आएगा नहीं, क्योंकि 3 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर। प्राइम नंबर हैज़ ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स, 1 and itself, so 3 1s are 3, and these are the prime factors of 6, and the another number is 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is our divisor and this 3 is our quotient. In prime factors, 3 and 3 are our factors. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Write down the prime factors of 6, that are 2 and 3, and prime factors of 9, that are 3 and 3. Now we find the prime factors of 6 and 9, common factors, and that is 3. Common factor is 3. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जस्ट 1 कॉमन फैक्टर है, डेट्स वाई यही हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर भी होगा। We can find out the highest common factor of 14 and 28 by using prime factorization method. First of all, we find out the factors of 14. Check the divisibility rule of 2. A number that ends with an even number that is divisible by 2. Here is 4. 4 is an even number. That's why 14 is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 times 2 comes 14. And 7 is again prime number. So 7 1s are 7. Now find out the next prime factors of 28. As we know that a number that ends with an even number, then the whole number is divisible by 2. So 28 is also divisible by 2. We can write it as 2 ones are 2. We can divide it separately. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Here we will divide them separately. Again, divisibility for 2 holds. So, 2 sevens are 14 and again 7 is a prime number. 7 ones are 7. Prime factors of 14 is 2 and 7. And the prime factors of 28 is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 7. We can write here prime factors of 14 is equals to 2 multiplied by 7. And prime factors of 28 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. After finding the prime factors, find out the common factors. Find out the common factors of 14 and 28. 2 is the common factor and another is 7 is the common factor. We can write it here. 2 multiplied by 7, it gives us 14. The product of common factors is the highest common factor in the prime factorization method. कॉमन फैक्टर के मल्टीपल्स का जो आंसर आएगा वो होगा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर by using prime factorization method. And 14 is the highest common factor of 14 and 28. As we were talking about highest common factor, now we will discuss about least common multiples. And the least common multiples have the same procedure as highest common factor. Least common multiples have the same procedure as highest common factor. Here is the addition of two things. After finding the common factors, we will find out the non-common factors for finding the LCM. First, find out the prime factors of two numbers or more than two numbers as the given. After finding the prime factors, find out the common factors and the remaining factors are included in non-common factors. And then for finding the LCM, there is a formula product of common factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. जब हम कॉमन फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट को और नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मिलेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल्स, find out the least common multiples of 24 and 36. As by using the divisibility rules, we will find out the prime factors of 24, same as find out the prime factors of 36. Now, prime factors of 24 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And prime factors of 36 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now find out the common factors of 24 and 36. 2, 2 and 3 are the common factors and the remaining factors are the non-common factors. The remaining factors are the non-common factors. As we are finding out the least common multiples, so the formula to finding the least common multiples is the product of common factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. 12 multiplied by 6, it gives us 72 as a LCM of 24 and 36. Now we can find out the LCM of 40 and 60 by using prime factorization method. Use the divisibility rule for 2 as it ends with 0, so it can be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. Again, as we know that 2 10s are 20. 2 1s are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. Again, we know that 2 5s are 10 and 5 is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself. 5 1s are 5 and the other is 60. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0 and then 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 gives us remainder 1. As that 1 is connected with 0, it makes 10. So 2 5s are 10. Use the divisibility rule for 3. 3 का divisibility rule, the sum of the digits, if it is a multiple of 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 is again prime number. 5 1s are 5. Now we are going to write the prime factors of 40, prime factors of 60, common factors of 40 and 60, non-common factors of 40 and 60. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and the common factors of 40 and 60 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and non-common factor of 40 and 60 is the remaining factors in the prime factors, that are 2 multiplied by 3, and the LCM is the product of common factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. Product of common factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. It gives us answer 120, and this is the least common multiples of 40 and 60. Thank you so much for watching.